Sodo from our Modo group. The issues we are finding in the community gardening are so many because, first of all, when we talk of gender, women does not own land in these communities. It's only the men that owns land. And if a husband gives you some land to do something, when it comes out, he will demand that these things come from my land. So give me all the money that you have got from this community gardening. So this one, the conflict will be there. It will bring an issue in the house. Even people go and divorce one another because of this such a thing. But before the ladies started digging this thing, they were just in a good relationship. They were talking in a but now that the money is coming there, not knowing that, not the father not knowing that if the lady get money from this community gardening and bring it to the house, it will help the children to go to the school. It will help to bring food in the house. For example, the access, maybe for now we have been given a piece of land here. This is a dry area. If we start digging in and making something out of it, access to this land will be very difficult because the owner of this land here will fence it and you will not get an access to this land here. That is called jealousy. So there are several issues in that we can say we have the advantage and disadvantages in this area. So they mostly what causes a lot is also the migration, because you might migrate to another place because of the conflict. Some of the issues like the conflict in the area, maybe the fighting, the community are not even willing for you to do something in that. They will sit down and say that, oh, we don't need this group here. You are going to another group there. Oh, you are the same group that was chased from there. So you find people are moving one another from one place, but these are the issues that we are getting. And it will drill even the effort of the mamas, those who are making their money from there. Even if you have planted your garden here and you move to another garden, it will take you to another level. Employment. People lack employment. And community gardening, if you start it in Kenya, it will bring people together. The youth will not go to the street to look for a job. The old men will not go to the small canteens to start making more stories there. They will come and join, and the life will be very easy in their families to continue on in community gardening. But challenges are there, and also the advantages are also there. But we cope with them because we are human beings. We are living in a world of many challenges.
Okay. Grandpa, can you tell us how did you used to do those days at your time concerning community gardening?
Utiyo kaka nutiyo chon e pur gi pur machon. Wapuro chon ne ng'ato ka ng'ato puro puothe. He's saying that they were digging and each and every person was doing its own land. Kendo puothe ga mana kelo konyruok. And land is the one which was bringing their change, the change. Koro ng'ato ka ng'ato nong'e pur ne dalane. Each and every person knew the farming on his own land. With your own wife. With your own children. They were working together with the family. Even now, it's still like that. We have not seen any change. So, only that what he knows. That in group things are now doing good and food are coming out best. That is why he loves group. When he hears about group, he must just join the group and try to implement what people are doing in the group. you've just if you have like a wife or a wife, they can have quarrels about land. That being together in a family. Like he is speaking. He has one wife. He's working together with his wife.
You can't do what?
He can't make a quarrel with her. With no quarrel. Their work are going together. They're doing it together.
So, do you allow Mama to go and dig in the community garden with other people?
Jaodi odhioti group mamoko e community garden. Now she's in several groups. When she group, he's not talking, he's not speaking about the group she's going. When he gets his time, he's calling his wife to come and join him.
Where? In their community group?
Into their community group.
Oh,
yeah.
So for you, when it is her time, she goes alone?
Yeah.
For your time, you go together.
You go together.
In her group, she is going alone.
Okay.
But in his group, she's it depends on the agreement amongst yourself.
Okay. Thank you so much.
The people have different knowledges.
Okay.
Someone has just put his home the way he likes. Yeah. He has just spoken about his place.
So, Grandpa, how has community gardening helped your family?
It's saying through the community gardening, they come together and through it, it has given a lot of food and source of income. That is how.
Now, the next question is the
Permaculture! 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 Permaculture!